Yeah, I'm about to show y'all how I go about buying and selling my cars, So today I'm about to go look at a 2001 Ford Excursion. And so hopefully this bad boy starts up, because if it start up, oh my gosh, it's going down, baby. So stay tuned and be right back. All right, here's the moment of truth. Let's get it. Oh, shit. It's going down, baby. This bad boy started right up. And I'm definitely buying this one, y'all. I'm definitely buying this one. It's going down. So, yeah, it started right up. And this bad boy rides smooth, man. This bad boy is smooth. Look, let me see. Yeah, I like this a lot, man. No lights on. Got the door ajar, so one of the doors open over there. But other than that, this bad boy is smooth, man. Yeah, that's gonna definitely be a moneymaker for me. So let's get it. Motor sounds good. This bad boy is nice. Yeah, look at this bad boy. It's real nice, man. All white. Let me see. Yeah, that's it's real nice, man. I like this. Yeah. This bad boy clean. This bad boy real clean. So, and it started right up when I jumped in, so yeah, I like this. And actually, you know what? Let me check this real quick. How does it look? This bad boy. Check this out. Oh, yeah, this come on, nice. You ain't never peeped that? Yeah, look at that, man. That's real nice right there. Throw some bangs back here and do what you need to do. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's nice right here. Yeah. This bad boy already sold, man. Look, this is my man's right here. This is already sold. This bad boy gone. So whenever y'all need a car, hit me up, Yeah, I'm happy about this one. Yo, what it do? This your boy, Mr. Biz, Mr. B-I-Z, sitting at home with a pocket full of money. Just got back, from taking care of business with this excursion, but I got some good news, well, it's good news for me. Well, anyway, on my way to the shop or on my way to my car lot, I actually ran into one of my customers who was actually looking for a new vehicle. And so I had him jump in the excursion, and man, he had the same feeling I had when I jumped in it and started it up. He was like, yo, I gotta hide this bad boy. He like, man, I got half of the money right now, and I'll give you the other half next Friday when I get paid. So I was definitely willing to make that deal, because I only paid $2,000 for the excursion. So I told him, hey, $4,500, you can have it, but you definitely got to put down half now and then give me the other half next week when you get paid. And so that's the deal we made, Obviously, I had him fill out all the paperwork and everything. So that's what we did next. We went to his house, he got his money, then shot to the office, and I sat him down and we did the paperwork, baby, the bill of sale. And so, I was like, yo, you gotta have it, you got to, man. You gotta put that money down, because, I came in the pocket buying this thing wholesale, and that's just how business go. you know. But anyway, but definitely in this business, you wanna have paperwork with any and everybody you do, you know, because without paperwork, there's no proof. And so, even though he told me that he wanted to pay me next Friday, I actually gave him 3 weeks to come up with the rest of the cash, you know, because honestly, I would usually when I'm in a situation like that, I would tell a person, I would give them 30 days. So because he said he wanted to do it, pay the rest of the money next week, I just told him I'll add a couple, 2 more additional weeks to it, and then, you know, give him a little bit more time to pay, because sometimes things happen. It's just that simple, you know. So yeah, and one day I literally pick up the excursion, bought it wholesale, and I got my money right back, you know, got my money right back. And so anything he gives me is going to be all profit, you know. And that's the thing about business, you know. I mean, you got to definitely, you in this business to make a profit, you know. That's the only way you're going to survive, especially in the car business, in any business, but, you know, especially in the car business. You have to make the money that you put down for the vehicles, and then you also want to make a good profit off of it. And me personally, like, I'm not trying to make a killing out. I mean, I'm trying to make a killing like overall, but like on my customers, I'm not trying to get top dollar from my customers, you know. Like, if I can find something for maybe like $1,000 or something, I'm willing to sell it for $2,000 to $2,500. You know, some people, you know, they buy a car for $1,000 and they want to charge $4,000 for the car, you know, depending on what shape it's in. But me personally, I like to do quick flips, because quick flips is the way to go, you know. I know a lot of people like to maximize their dollar, but me personally, I like to do quick flips so that I can go ahead and make my money, make my profit, and then go right back to the auction to get me something else, you know. So actually in the next video, I'm going to show you guys, I'm just going to give you guys what I do in a full day, you know, because like, not only do I take care of my business, you know, I'm all about, you know, getting my mind right, getting my body right, and then taking care of my business. So I just want to let y'all know exactly what happened with the 2001 Ford Excursion I bought. Yeah, your boy happy today. You know, how can you complain about this? You know, how can you complain about it? Me personally, I can't complain, you know. So that's basically it for this video. This is my first video. Like I said, that's basically it for this video. It's my first video, and hopefully you guys enjoy. But hey, stick with me, and I'm gonna show you how to get this money. How to get this money, man. Peace out.